hear the gravel man coming with my sand. Hopefully you could dump it right here. Oh, hopefully he can do it. That's a big old truck. So that is what 5.5 tons of sand looks like. I hope it's enough. I need that for the walls and the floor. Nice good pile of sand. Well, somebody's ready to play. She went to play for a bit. She says, do you see I put my ball right there? There was never greater fun. Oh, she's a good dog. Again. Again. Get some of that energy out this morning. Oh, must be time for a rest. So, I got one of these all picked up. Put in that box. That is a project in itself. It's eating up my cool morning. Don't like that. Now I've got to get work on that other side. Well, I got it all cleaned up. I'll take it to the dump and we can put it behind us. I don't know if the mice or the birds ate all the lettuce that was in here. There was quite a lot of it right along this side, and it's all gone. They left the beets and the radishes, but they ate all that lettuce. Oh boy. Well, we still have that good cloud cover. I better take advantage of it. See if I can get that wall finished this morning. I've got to unload that lumber. I'm going to put my 2x6s over here because they're going to run along here for the front porch to run out of. But, yep. It's all ready for me. I got my screws too. Now the work can commence. Well, it's about 11 o'clock and the weather on my phone said it was going to get windy at 10. And it is getting very windy. Here we are. Another beautiful morning. There's a little cloud cover up there, so I'm going to work on this wall. See if I can. I am so close. I just have the top down at the end. I've got to do up here at the top of the window. And that little bit. So I'm going to get to work before it decides to get too hot. I already have my ingredients in the wheelbarrow. I sifted my dirt, got my sand and my straw. So I'm going to get to work. There's several types of wasps here. I think I told you I have a little phobia. And once the sun comes out, not only is it getting hot, but those wasps are attracted to the mud, and so they all start swarming around, and I'm uncomfortable with that. So
couple of good reasons to stop cobbing for now, but that wall's done except for over the windows. So I'm okay with it.
So this is my sheeting I'm going to use for my soffits. I'll cut it this way. And then it has these little lips on either side where it fits together like one piece. So I'll cut them like this, and then I have these vents that I'll put. They have to correspond with those vents up there where I covered them with the screen. Then I'll put these in the soffits. So they'll go about, I don't know, every 16 inches or so. I've already got my block up there in the corner to nail to. And they'll just, the soffits will run right along the rafters there. That'll be my next step. Now the reason I'm working on the soffits is because I want the cob to go all the way up. So I've got to get those soffits in, and then I can cob all the way up to the soffits. So they are a necessary next step. Well, I think I'll show you the soffit business on the next video. I'm going to call this a wrap. So I'm kind of ready to be done for the day. It's getting very humid. So anyway, thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. I will see you soon. Take care.